بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all will be fine there. Students, this is your science class and let's start our class. Yes, this is Unit 1, the human body. The human body. Students, right now we are studying about the human body. Students, he is a boy and he is showing us some different body parts. And in the previous classes, we have studied some body parts. Let's recall all of them. Yes, let's read with me. Very good, students. This is your page number 2 and you have to hold a pencil like this and then read with me. Ear. What is this? Ear. And we have 2 ears. Very good. Nose. We have 1 nose. Mouth. We have 1 mouth. Eye. We have 2 eyes. Cheek. We have 2 cheeks. Chin. This is chin. Chest. This area is chest. Very good. And then stomach. This is stomach. And thumb. We have 2 thumbs. This is one and this is the other one. Thumb. We have 2 thumbs. Knee. We have 2 knees. Knee. Very good. Toe. These 2 are toes. Toe. This is toe. This is toe. Very good. And then this is arm. This whole area is arm. Arm. And these are fingers. Fingers. Finger. Very good. Okay, students. Let's move towards the other parts of the body. Okay, read with me. Hair. 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 Neck. 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 Very good. Shoulder. 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 Elbow. 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 Back. 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 Hand. 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 Leg. 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 Foot. 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 Very good, students. Okay, students, just concentrate here. What is this? Hair. 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 Very good. Let's move towards the next part. Neck. 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 Very good. Now, shoulder. 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 Very good. Shabash. Now, what is this? Elbow. elbow, elbow, elbow. Very good. Back, 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 back. Hand, 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 hand. Very good, students. Leg. This is leg, 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 leg. Foot, foot, foot. This is foot. Very good. Let's recall all of them again. Hair, neck, shoulder, elbow, back, hand, leg, foot. Very good. Okay, students, now I will show you some different cards and you have to tell me which body part is this. What is this, students? Can you tell me? Yes, these are feet. These are feet. Okay, students, this is a foot. This is a foot and these two are feet. One single is known as foot. This is a foot and this is toe, toe, and these are fingers. These are fingers. This is a toe. Very good. Okay, students, let's move towards the next card. Okay, students, what is this? What is this, students? This is elbow, elbow. This is elbow. Can you see this? Yes, this pointed part is known as elbow, elbow. Very good. And this whole is arm, arm. Very good. And these are fingers, fingers. And this is a thumb. Can you see this? This is a thumb. Very good. Excellent. Okay, students, what is this? Can you tell me? What is this? Yes, you can tell me. This is a neck. 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 This is neck. Very good. This is neck. And what is this, students? This is shoulder. Shoulder. He is holding his shoulder. This is shoulder. This is arm. And this is shoulder. Shoulder. Very good. Okay, students. Today we have learnt about hair, neck, shoulder, elbow, back, hand, leg, foot. Very good. Now this is your homework time, students. Okay, students, we have learned all these body parts. Okay, we know the names of all these body parts. So your homework is, what you have to do, you have to read page 2 and share your video in WhatsApp group. Okay, students, this is page 2. You have to read this whole page and make a small video, and you have to share that video in your WhatsApp group. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed your class. Stay home, stay safe, take
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما